Please subscribe to Melin's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and today I come with another unboxing video, and this time I'm going to unbox the digital notepad for online teaching, and it is very useful for teachers as well as those who do online teaching. The name of this tablet is Wacom One, and I got it from Amazon. And the packaging is a plastic packaging. So let's get it unboxed first, and then I'm also going to connect it with my computer. So you can see here the box itself. So you can see the box, this is that notepad, and pen is also there. So one by Wacom Creative Pen tablet, and here is some information is about the pen, black, red color, and here is also quoted the branding of Wacom One, and here is some basic information that where it has manufactured and what, but actually it is written that it is manufactured in China, and I got it for 3,500 rupee only. And here is also back there is some information about this pen tablet. So let me take out the tablet from this box and now plastic packaging is there, and it is very hard to, and you can see that this is the another box. Again the same thing is written over here, and you can get like that, you can take it. So here this is our pen tablet, and it is packed in a well plastic, you can see here. So I just you can see that here is a red color and here is the black color. So I just want to put it aside, and here we are going to see what else we get in this box. So here is a USB type C to USB type A cable to connect with your laptop, your computer, okay. And here are some the manual guides, you can say, okay. Nothing is there, so maybe the manual guides are there here, you can see here. And here is a pen. So by using this pen you just have to write down over here, and in this way you can get the what you are writing, you can get it in your computer. So now I am going to connect it with my computer, and I will show you that how you are going to connect it. And here you can see the website where you can download the driver for your computer. You can also download it for your, if you are using MacBook, or if you are using the Windows phone, you can also download the driver. First you have to install the driver, then it will be connected. First I am going to take down the plastic wrapper of this tablet, and you can see here it is a good packaging actually. And now here you can see this is the tablet, and now I'm connecting it with my computer. So here you can see that it is a pin and all the extra things you get with it. So this is cable, and you have to just put it here, and when you connect it one LED light will blow up. And you can see the light is blowing up. Now I'm writing like that, writing over here, and you can see that it is also going on. So first I am going to download the driver. I will also show you that how to download the driver, and then I will give you the demo. To use this notepad, while teaching online, you have to type the website name, and after that you have to open the website. And here you can see that step 1 and step 2. So here you can also download it from Mac if you are using MacBook, or simply you can click on the Windows. So now you can see that it is downloading, and after downloading it is starting installation. So you have to start the installation. So after installation, you can see here it asks us to accept. So after accepting it, it asks to restart, and after restarting you will get again such kind of a message, and you can see it is again installing, and after installation it again asking to accept it, and after the restart you can see the application has opened, and here you can do the lot of settings with its pen and all these things. So here we can see here you can go to the general settings and you can do a lot of settings. There are a lot of options, but I'm not going to give you details of it, because as your requirement you can do that. So directly we are going to go to the Paint, and then I will show you that how it works on it. So now you can see here I'm just writing, and you can see that in the notepad it is written like that. Okay, so it is very smooth, but actually you need a lot of practice to write down over here, because it is the first time I'm writing over here, and you can see that the writing is not in that good position. So here I have written that I am Iron Man, but it is not looking here. So you need a lot of practice to write down with this pen on this notepad, but it is very simple. Okay, within 3 to 4 days you will be able to write down it, and it will be very helpful to do online teaching. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, please like it and also share to your friends. So thank you very much.